Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday received a telephone call from Brazilian President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva, reaffirming the momentum generated during PM Modi's recent visit to Brazil and underscoring the shared commitment to deepen the India-Brazil strategic partnership. The leaders recalled their meeting last month in Brasilia, where they agreed on a comprehensive framework to expand cooperation across key sectors, including trade, technology, energy, defense, agriculture, health, and people-to-people ties. Thursday's conversation built on those discussions, with both sides reiterating their resolve to elevate bilateral engagement to new heights. The two leaders exchanged views on various regional and global issues of mutual interest, a statement from the Prime Minister's office said, noting that both leaders agreed to remain in close contact as the partnership evolves. Prime Minister Modi, in a post on his official X handle, described the conversation as good and expressed gratitude for the warmth and hospitality extended during his Brazil visit. Had a good conversation with President Lula. Thanked him for making my visit to Brazil memorable and meaningful. We are committed to deepening our strategic partnership, including in trade, energy, tech, defense, health and more. A strong, people-centric partnership between Global South nations benefits everyone, he wrote. The emphasis on a people-centric approach reflects the shared vision of both leaders to position India and Brazil as anchors of cooperation within the Global South, with both countries playing influential roles in multilateral platforms such as BRICS, G20 and the UN. The strategic alignment carries implications beyond bilateral ties, touching on global governance, climate action, and equitable development. President Lula, who has long championed South-South solidarity, has expressed interest in leveraging Brazil's agricultural and technological strengths to support mutual growth. India, meanwhile, sees Brazil as a key partner in diversifying energy sources, enhancing defense collaboration, and promoting inclusive health initiatives. The reaffirmation of ties comes at a time when both nations are navigating complex geopolitical shifts and seeking to assert greater agency in shaping global norms. The leaders' decision to remain in touch signals continuity in dialogue and a shared intent to translate diplomatic goodwill into tangible outcomes. With strategic convergence and personal rapport driving the relationship, India and Brazil appear poised to chart a more ambitious course in the years ahead. Truth.